Hi, so we just wanna see how the record type works. So just wanna log in the sandbox here. There's another good things of Salesforce because you have to maintain these multi-factor authentication every time you need to log in, so which can secure your data for any outside or stolen data, especially for the SMB space. That this kind of thing is very good enough for them and for their customer. So here, go to Object Manager, and we created a custom object I mentioned earlier, which is client case feed. So this is a custom object. So now here you can see that we also created a pick list field. And you can see that pick list field is automatically going to be selected for the record type. So here, if we click edit, you can see that this available field is already been selected: motor vehicle accident or worker compensations type case. So with the record type, you can divide your data and field to based on the record type. That means you can assign certain types of case or data to the lawyer who is specialized in motor vehicle accident or otherwise worker compensation. And another thing I just want to show you, which is very interesting, if you created a custom object in Salesforce, then also you can do this record type kind of functionality through restrictions rule as well. So here you can see that with the restrictions rule, you can also restrict the data through record. So here you can see that record type ID or record type. So here you can also divide the thing. So you can do you can either use record type, or if it is custom object, you can select restriction rule. It depends upon overall implementation process and how you want to integrate all the things. So that's but this is really good, like this dimension of data through record type or through restrictions rule, if it's a custom object or certain other standard object in Salesforce, and you can customize it in your way. Yep, that's all.